Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Android TV if it is stuck on red light or blue light. So if you have turned off your TCL Smart TV and the light that is blinking right here is red, or if it's a blue light instead of white light, so what you should do is you should disconnect your TCL Android TV from the back of the wall on the outlet and wait for 30 seconds, and then you can press this button which is right here for 30 seconds to drain all of the power, and after that you should turn it back on using your remote and it should turn back on normally without any issues, and this should resolve the issue. So I hope it was helpful and it resolves your issue. Thank you so much for watching.